In a world dominated by digital devices, vintage typewriters have emerged as a captivating collectible. Enthusiasts flock to find unique models, each with its own history and flair. From the sleek lines of the 1950s Remington to the elegant designs of old Olivetti machines, these treasures are a testament to a bygone era. Collectors enjoy not just the aesthetic appeal, but the tactile joy of typing on them, creating a personal connection through the keys. As communities form around typewriter fairs and online forums, the appreciation for these classics continues to flourish like never before.